lying to you at all.
I just asked you, officer. I say, why are you looking at my car? You say to see who you are. That's a lie.
I want to see who you are.
That's a lie.
I can learn things by seeing things.
Oh, I know.
That's my job.
We understand why you're actually looking in the car, but if you wanted to know who I am, my plate is there.
My hands are right here for officer safety.
You're under arrest, sir. Go ahead and step out of the car.
Sir.
Again, you're gonna be placed under arrest.
Okay, what reason do you need me to get out?
For camping in public. So just so you have that information.
Just so you know,
you'll need to move along.
with all due respect,
So if you want to take a tour, we can set it up where you can come back, but it's the day before the holiday.
I understand that. Like I said, I don't really need an escort in terms of.
Well, we do, because it's got student records and everything else back.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't get that. I wouldn't be getting any of that, recording any of that stuff. It'd just be stuff like on the wall. And
Yeah, unfortunately, we're on a shortened staff today, so it's not going to happen.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying, I don't. What I'm trying to tell you, Mike, is I don't need anyone to.
You do, though.
This
is a school district. And
yeah, I know.
With everything the way the world is today.
Well, how's the world today?
Hold on a second. Hello. Hello. Yeah, please do. But, sorry about that.
That's cool. Yeah, so I mean, I didn't understand, how the world is today. I'm not sure what does that actually mean.
Yeah, I got it taken care of. What's your name, sir?
I don't really want to give it right now.
Well, you're going to video me, but I can tell you my name, but you can't tell me your name?
Well, I mean, just because it seems like, I usually do give my name, but it just don't seem like right now the energy is kind of correct, for a lack of a better term, so I just remain anonymous. Plus, I'm filing a FOIA anonymous anyway, so.
Yeah. Yep. All right, thanks. Yeah, I can give you our superintendent's business card, and you can meet up with him or do whatever you want.
Superintendent, is he going to come in today?
No.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm here to do something today.
Okay, we're not open.
Well, you guys, she just let me in. You guys are open, for sure.
We're open, but we're short-staffed.
I understand that. But you guys, I don't need any staff. That's what I'm saying. I don't
need staff. This is a public building, and it's
That's
a school
correct.
district that has
That's
kids'
correct.
records.
That's correct. And I won't be getting any of those records.
You're videoing. I don't know what you're videoing. We're not going to let somebody walk around in this day and age.
I just told you. I just told you I was videoing. So that's not true.
I understand that.
So I'm saying, but you shouldn't
won't
say.
even tell me your name, and I'm supposed to trust that you're not going to video anything that's not supposed to be seen.
Can you bring the decibel down a little bit? There's no need for that. You just said I didn't tell you I was videoing, and I actually did.
Here's the bottom line. You're not getting past this point today.
Well,
if you want to, you can talk to our
I'm going to say this. If this area is not restricted, I'm going to go by my business and way, documenting the building because it's publicly accessible. And hopefully I can do that unmolested. So, yeah, he started to, his name was Michael. He started to bring his voice decibel up for no reason.
Hey, bud, you got to keep it on this side.
Yeah, I'm just right here looking at the...
We're not going back past this, please.
Sir, if it's not restricted, sir, I would actually respect my rights.
You won't tell me who you are.
I don't need to.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's the bottom line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know who you are. I don't know what your objective is.
Why do you need to know who I am?
Why don't I need to know what your objective is?
Okay, I'm going to say it for a fourth time. And please, young lady, make sure you don't delete that video because I'm going to FOIA request that as well, even if that's your personal phone. If you do, just a heads up, that's actually a felony. It is.
So it seems like you're here for all the wrong reasons.
I'm here for the right reasons, and here's one of them here, to request a FOIA, and I'm going to fill this out anonymously, okay? I'm going to tell you the second part of me being here, again, respectfully, is to document the building. This is a public building. I have a right to be here, and I have a right to access it.
You have a right to be here.
Thirdly, I do not need to disclose my name to you, sir. Respectfully. Okay. Not doing anything nefarious. I don't have any ill intent.
So you've gotten your FOIA request, which you've asked
That's
for.
correct.
So what else are we doing here? You keep inching your way to the back office.
I'm not going to the back office, sir.
But you are. We started up here and you're now back here.
Well, because this is not restricted, right? Obviously so, right?
It is restricted. You're not supposed to be behind
Where
the
does
counter.
it say that?
Hey, Mike, let's just, yeah.
Yeah, well, if it doesn't say restricted, then I'm not sure. The guy's yelling his voice and He's getting all irate. I guess her name is Miss Cook. Miss Cook has took a picture of a photo or video of me, so we know she's not supposed to. Well, she can. Just hopefully she doesn't delete it. I'm gonna go see what's all that about.
You understand the reason we don't want to be recording is for safety, right?
Man, it's cool, Mike. You guys called the police, so let's just see what they have to say about it. Officers, by any chance, you can tell me why you guys looking at my car, officer? It's by looking inside the car?
I can look through windows.
To see who I am. Why not just look at the plate?
I read your plate.
Oh, so that tells you who I was. So to look inside, you're trying to do like a plain view doctrine, huh? Trying to give you some type of...
Whatever you want to call it.
I'm asked you, and I'm basically just asked you, and you lied to me saying you're trying to see who I am, and the plate will tell you who I
I'm not
am.
lying to you at all.
I just asked you, officer. I say, why are you looking at my car? You say to see who you are. That's a lie.
I want to see who you are.
That's a lie.
I can learn things by seeing things.
Oh, I know.
That's my job.
We understand why you're actually looking in the car, but if you wanted to know who I am, my plate is there.
Well, you
So-
know who I am. Now I know who you are.
Yeah, exactly.
You tell me.
There. I mean, obviously you guys were dispatched here, right?
Yeah, that's a presumption. All right.
It was obvious. You know, obviously they have a
Is there anything
problem.
we can help you with?
No, just want to be able to come out and really just have a dialogue about why you was peering into my car.
Okay.
Now that you guys know who I am, I don't have any warrants. Obviously, you guys ran me for that.
I have not.
Going ahead. Well, he probably did. What's your badge number, Smith?
I did not. It's 24 right here. See, 24.
24. What's your, sir, officer? Your name and badge number?
Officer Schnabel, 51.
Okay.
He doesn't need assistance. We can go.
Well, I'm gonna just go back in and document, so hopefully they don't give you guys another call. Yeah, so Officer Smith there was basically lying about not running me for warrants. We already know why they run your plate, so that's not gonna work. We'll go back in here and get the rest of our shots, document, and be ready to get on out. Vernon Hills finest. Are you guys body cams on?
You know it.
I sure hope so. What about dash cams? Of course, they're running all the time, right?
No.
Oh, no? Oh, wow. I met Officer Smith. Let's look inside his vehicle, because he sure looked inside of mine.
Help yourself.
See what type of plain view doctrine route we can get on Mr. Smith here. You don't have any illegals in here, do you, Officer Smith? Any illegals? Same things you was looking for over there in my car.
Illegal. What
Yeah,
does that mean?
anything that's illegal.
Define illegal.
Drugs, dead bodies.
You're being silly now.
No. So if I had a dead body in my car, that wouldn't be considered illegal? Of course it would.
You're asking me if I had a dead body. That's silly.
Why would that be silly, officer? Y'all kill people all the time, man. You do. I am having a nice day, but
I'm not talking with you anymore.
why not? No transparency? You don't want to be honest?
We have nothing in common.
Well, I'm just saying, I just like the fact everything would have been good if you didn't come over here lying about why you was looking at my car, man. Cops lie all the time. That's ridiculous, man. That was ridiculous. And I pointed it out, so that's why you upset? But yet and still the door was just open. Well, we don't want to snatch the door out of the cop's hand, and you know, the first thing they're gonna say is you assaulted me, or you broke my nail or something, or my thumb kind of aches now that you pulled the door back, so it's all good. TTA family, if you guys can see, the cop is still sitting right there in the lobby talking to them. Definitely gonna go get his body cam footage. He didn't want me to come in. Like I said, you see him snatch the door. Like, you have to be buzzed in. He probably was hoping that I would snatch it away from him. And like I said, then he can yell assault and battery on a police officer because because his fingernail broke, or his thumb is a little achy. So, you know, you want to shut the door, let him shut the door. You know, we ain't got to get into nothing physical with these people. You know what I mean? That ain't why we here. Obviously, you guys see the buzzer right here. where you have to be buzzed in. It's locked, so you can't just walk in. But in any event, we'll see. Definitely gonna go get the put in the FOIA request for the body cam footage. So you guys stay in tune.
All right, guy. Mr.
James.
Mr. James.
Mm-hmm.
There's no admin here. There's no front office staff. I came in to finish a project.
I understand.
There's no one here you can talk to.
I-
Our building's open up Wednesday.
Okay.
Full staff. You can talk to our superintendent if you like.
Okay.
Ask for request.
Who's the superintendent here?
Pete Hannigan.
P. Hagan?
Pete Hannigan.
Hannigan. Pete Hannigan.
Yes.
Okay. He's the superintendent for here.
For the Hawthorne district.
So that's Vernon Hills included, right?
Not all of Vernon Hills.
Okay. So whom would that be? Because I might need to speak to the person that's over him. Because obviously Mike there, the maintenance guy, was on the phone with him just a few moments ago. So he wouldn't be a good person to talk to.
Who, Pete?
Yeah, because he was just on the phone with the superintendent. Yeah.
Our superintendent will be here Wednesday.
Yeah, no. Well, I'm just saying I don't want to speak with him. Who's over him? Oh, you don't know?
I Hawthorne, elementary school district.
Oh,
That's
wow.
my stuff.
Wow.
I mean,
Okay. And then I've seen that you guys now have just put up some signs of restricting certain points, and beyond this point, I've seen you was putting that up.
Yep.
So, I mean, why now?
Quite frankly, our building's getting renovated. It's
Okay.
it's going to happen.
Right.
We just didn't
Have it.
them up.
Right. So I kind of helped excite that.
No, I think it was on my to-do list today. Funny
Okay.
enough.
Okay. Well, then why are you coming from the back? You guys don't want to open this door? Because, I mean, I still...
I was going to go head over to get some coffee.
I mean, to be honest with you, Mrs. Cook, right? Miss Cook, okay. Obviously, this is still a public building. I have a right to be in here.
Absolutely, but there's no one in there.
I understand that,
There's
but
no one there.
but I don't want you guys to infringe on my rights of
We
me.
have a public area.
That's correct.
Appointment only. There's no one to help the front office.
Appointment
right
only.
now.
Man, I understand what you're saying, but my rights don't stop there, though. Do you
Okay.
get what I'm saying?
We have a public area.
That's correct.
Yes.
Okay, so I can access that area.
It's closed.
Oh, no.
Just letting you know.
It's not closed. You guys, right here, the sign said you guys close at 4 o'clock today. It's just 11.
Right now I'm saying it's closed. I'm leaving.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Okay.
Fully staffed Wednesday. You are absolutely more than welcome. Beck, give us a call.
You're leaving for the day?
What?
I mean, I'm just saying, are
It's
you...
none of your business or concern.
Hey, obviously, you told me that for me to know it, right? Obviously told me for a reason. You have a person who's telling
Letting
me.
you know. No one's here. No admin's here. Our superintendent's not here.
Because I'm going to file some complaints on you guys. And I mean, you guys are...
I look forward to it.
I hope so, because...
I hope you do it on a day people are here, though.
I'm definitely going to do it. I'm definitely going to do it because you obviously, like I say, you took a picture of me. Hopefully you don't delete it. If you do, then that's going to be on you. And now you guys are restricting a public citizen, from accessing a public building. That's a violation of rights as well. So it's bigger. No, it's bigger than that. Of course, you see the police here and they're siding with you guys. It's going to get bigger than that when we litigate this. So I hope you have the same precise attitude you have now when we're in court. That's it.
My attitude right now is just letting you know.
Okay.
There's no one here.
Okay.
We are more than willing to. There's going to be someone that's willing to talk to you Wednesday.
All right. I mean,
Just letting you know.
all right. Okay. So I'm not, and again, I can't access the building.
You can try.
You're,
Good afternoon.
When does protecting a government facility become restricting constitutional rights? Under the First Amendment, recording in publicly accessible government spaces is generally protected, while the Illinois Freedom of Information Act, 5 ILCS 140, guarantees public access to government records through lawful requests. At the same time, public officials may impose reasonable limits to protect students, secure non-public offices, and preserve safety. This encounter raises a central legal question. Were these restrictions based on clearly defined policy, or were they expanded only after recording began?
No, this is fine.
Negative.
Yes, sir.
For my safety.
No, my safety, I guarantee you, there's nothing wrong with the window. I guarantee you.
Okay, perfect. If there's something wrong, you lower it down longer.
No, sir. Everything's fine.
I'm Deputy Supervisor, Sheriff's Office. We want to stop the traffic.
Sir, I clearly told you to go ahead and go forward, sir.
So I have to stop, make a complete stop. I don't have to listen to you, sir. I have to follow the laws of the land. Does that make sense? I have to control traffic. I like you have to with the American Sheriff's Office. I can't violate the law.
Yes, you can violate the law because you are just as responsible as we are. You're not above the law. Just because you are the law doesn't mean you're above the law, sir.
Sir, do you have driver's license positions?
I do.
What is the fight that?
It's an unlawful traffic stop. I'm telling you that right now. Impeding the traffic. I'm just letting you know that you could go first, and you wanted to be argumentative about it and then pull me over on retaliation or what? Yeah, that's what it is.
I had to make a complete stop. I wasn't even stopping you.
I'm pretty sure.
Driver's license proof insurance, sir.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you were stopped already.
Are you ready to order the vehicle?
I don't answer questions.
If you're there for right now for my safety, go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
No, sir. For officer safety, I have no reason to be coming out of the vehicle. My hands are right here for officer safety.
So for officer safety,
yes.
State law. I mean, actually.
No,
Supreme
it's
Court,
Pistol versus Mims. Yes, for officer safety. Officer safety. What? So what? Can you RAS? Can you?
You're being nervous, sir. Again, you're very argumentative. I haven't ran you yet. I don't know if you're.
Because you're already giving me problems. Because I have a lot of problems with the police trying to violate my rights.
Sir.
Violating my rights? It's on me? No, it's not.
That's on you. The way you're acting, sir.
Sir.
Again, I make thousands of traffic stops.
Listen.
And I don't have confrontations like this.
You're making a confrontation by telling me to step out of the vehicle for what reason? What? All right.
So I don't know if you're gonna run. I don't know how. The way you're acting, I don't know what you're gonna do. I don't know if you have weapons in that vehicle.
It doesn't. You don't need to worry about that. Right now, it's a traffic stop right now, and just go about what the traffic stop is. Just a traffic stop only.
Been arrested, sir.
I don't answer questions.
Yeah. Go ahead and put that car in park.
No problem.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Sir, don't escalate the problem more than it is. Don't escalate this. Don't escalate the situation more than it is.
Turn the car off, sir. I don't know if you're gonna drive. Turn the vehicle off.
Okay, it's off. Thank you. Go ahead and go continue the traffic stop.
Do you have a key?
Continue the traffic
Do you have
stop.
a key, sir?
Continue the traffic stop.
Do you have a key? If you
Continue
have a key, go ahead and put
the
that
traffic
on top
stop.
of the hood. Again, go ahead and put that car key
Listen,
on top of the hood.
I don't have to listen to you. Just go ahead and continue the traffic stop and go and do the ticket already or whatever you gotta do.
Again, go ahead and put that key on top of the hood, sir.
You're very argumentative. You're very confrontational. You need to hurry up and go do what you gotta do.
Again, for my safety, go ahead and put that on the hood. I don't know if I'm gonna walk away and you're gonna try to drive off. I don't know who you are.
It doesn't matter. Go ahead and continue to go do what you gotta do.
It does. Again, because if you're gonna flee, I don't want you to flee. Go ahead and put that key on top of the hood.
Go ahead and continue. Go ahead and run. Go and do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Go.
Just to let you know, impeding the flow of traffic is an arrestable offense.
Dude, I wasn't impeding the traffic. I have it on video.
Again, I'm letting you know.
I have it on video. I was waiting for you to go.
You don't have to wait for me to go. Again, it's an arrestable offense. You understand that, sir? Are you aware of that?
Sir, don't escalate things more than it should be. Go ahead and continue. Do what you gotta do.
Do me a favor, step out of the car.
Listen.
Go ahead and step out of the car.
It's not necessary.
Again, it's
for officer safety, my hands are right here.
Again, sir.
You don't have a reasonable reason for me to pull out of the vehicle.
Again, remember, I'm telling you no. In the state of Texas,
Pennsylvania versus Mims. My hands are right here for officer safety.
You're under arrest, sir. Go ahead and step out of the car.
Sir.
Again, you're gonna be placed under arrest.
Okay, what reason do you need me to get out? What reason do you need me to get out though?
You're gonna be under arrest.
No, but what reason though?
You're under arrest for impeding the flow of traffic.
Why are you shaking?
Sir, I'm gonna break your window. You understand me? You're gonna escalate it more, I'm gonna break that window.
Look, I'm not escalating nothing.
Go ahead and step out of the car.
I'm in the middle of I'm going to do an Uber right now. Why are you making things worse?
I'm gonna break this window, sir. I'm gonna give you another chance. Go ahead and step out of that car.
Okay, you know what? Be careful. Watch out.
Step out of the car.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know that? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Go ahead and step out.
Hey, hold on. Nope.
Can refusing an officer's commands during a traffic stop ever be legally protected? Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, the U.S. Supreme Court held that officers may generally order a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle for officer safety, even without individualized suspicion. However, the legality of that authority depends first on whether the initial stop itself was lawful under the Fourth Amendment. From the officer's perspective, repeated non-compliance may increase perceived safety risks. From the citizen's perspective, questioning the legality of the stop and asserting constitutional rights may be viewed as protected conduct. The central legal issue is whether the officer's escalating commands remained objectively reasonable under the circumstances.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Are you watching a movie or something, or?
I don't answer questions. Can I get your name and badge number?
It's Officer Spencer.
And your badge number?
It's 90719.
And do you have a card?
No.
Okay.
Can I ask why you're parked here?
You can.
And your answer would be
Is there a problem with it?
yes.
Okay.
Somebody's called and said that it appears that you're camping in your vehicle. So,
Okay.
Rochelle, yes?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so I have to, but you can't?
You do have to, yes.
Oh,
You work for the public.
okay. Right.
Right. And I'm practicing my First Amendment rights. And I have a right to be here. This is a public street. So actually, you're violating my rights at the moment.
I haven't violated anybody's rights.
Yes, you are.
We're just talking.
No, I don't sit here to talk to you.
What happened? What happened that you're so hostile towards police?
What happened?
Yeah.
I don't answer questions.
I mean, did you get wrongfully accused of something or what? Because I haven't been mean to you at all.
Well, right now I have two friends that are sitting in jail for absolutely nothing.
For absolutely nothing?
Zero.
Oh.
For doing what I'm doing right now. Recording the police, which is their First Amendment right.
Okay.
But in Texas, they don't respect us like you do. They arrested them. And so, yeah, I'm upset about it. I'm about ready to go down there if they don't let them out.
Okay.
I'm the California Grown Granny. I have a YouTube channel. I fight for people's rights. My rights, yes, have been violated. Looks like you have a... And a lot of people's rights have. I'm sure you know people whose rights have been violated.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you know...
all these mandates with vaccinations and stuff.
Yeah, it's overboard. Needs to stop.
I agree.
And people calling like that
Well,
about...
That is something that we agree on,
Yeah.
right?
I mean, well, I'm sure we agree with a lot of things.
It's Lasso Richards, correct?
I don't answer questions.
But I'm not wrong, though, right?
I couldn't tell you. You can guess.
I'm going to assume it is. Yeah. Out of St. Louis?
I come out of heaven.
A no answer.
I come
is
from
like
God.
It's kind of like a good answer, right?
I come from the place you do.
So what are you doing?
Well,
What are you doing down here in Santa
There
Maria?
is an emergency over here. Look.
Yeah.
Why? Do you care?
Yeah. Especially if I'm getting calls for service for you.
You ought to go watch that thing. Look.
Yeah.
Thing is dirty, man.
I'm busy dealing with.
I know.
With this.
Wasting your time. You could be washing your taxpayer's vehicle. But instead,
but I
these
gotta do
neighbors
this?
over here. Yeah. Oh. They're taking out the thing. See, there's some emergencies going on.
Medical. Yep.
But yeah, I am actually working on some things. So
Well,
the First Amendment, people's rights to express themselves through freedom of press, religion, and whatnot.
Well, just so you have all the information, here in Santa Maria, the city of, we do have municipal codes that say that there's no overnight camping or camping in public. So, just so you have that information.
Just so you know,
you'll need to move along.
With all due respect, their municipal codes don't trump my constitutional rights as a disabled 62-year-old grandmother.
Okay.
So there's not a whole lot, I mean, they could put up street signs like parking for 1 hour over here in a residential area.
Correct.
And what they're doing is, this is residential.
Correct.
That's illegal to put those signs up there.
Mm-hmm.
Besides, they're turning residential public streets into private property, which is totally against the law. So those signs there, will not, they won't work in court. I mean, you know, I have a parking ticket right in there that I'm getting ready to have dismissed.
Okay.
Because they gave me the parking ticket on a day when the courts were closed. And the signs say that it doesn't apply on weekends or holidays. So if the court was closed, then, you know.
Well,
But yeah, these people need to learn their rights so they don't call you with and waste your time, you know. Like these people over here, somebody might have died. That could be their very last day over
so
there.
what's the plan for the rest of the day?
Across these 3 encounters, the central question remained the same. How should constitutional rights, government authority, and professional judgment coexist during everyday police interactions? In video 1, the debate centered on public access and FOIA, where the citizen earns B+ for remaining persistent, while public officials receive C for inconsistent access decisions. In video 2, the dispute focused on a traffic stop and officer commands, where the officer receives C+ for escalating quickly, while the driver receives C because prolonged non-compliance increased the risk of confrontation. In video 3, both parties maintained a calm dialogue despite disagreement, earning the officer A- for professionalism and the citizen B+ for asserting rights without physical escalation. The strongest constitutional encounters are rarely defined by who speaks louder, but by who remains consistent with the law, the facts, and professional conduct. If you enjoy in-depth First Amendment audit, ID refusal, and police accountability analysis, continue with the next video on your screen and explore the full ID Refusal Pro series.